Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question, question number 51. And to this question, we have this instruction which says that from choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately complete each sentence. And this instruction is to answer question 41 to 70 for us. And to question number 51, the statement says the pig is restless in its sty dash it. The pig is restless in its sty dash it. So this question is from what we call tag question in English. Tag question. And the rule for tag question is that positive statement takes negative tag. So, and the statement here is positive. So, and the attack would be negative. So, option A say didn't it, B say does, C say doesn't, D say is, then E say isn't. So, and the verb here is positive, then we need a negative tag. So the correct option will be option E. Isn't it? The pig is restless in his tie. Isn't it? So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.